What's up guys, today's videos we're gonna review this Mubview smart video doorbell. Wireless, this is wireless and Wi-Fi. Works for this one outdoors, and also this is waterproof. In this side right here, there's a lot of features right here. So mobile app, you can download the apps, and 2.4G Wi-Fi, and also motion sensor, voice changers, and weatherproof, battery powered day and night, two-way talk, so either you can change your voice changers. Okay, so all right, so let's go open this box. Inside the box you have a user manual Mubview, USB cable, screw switch, the chime, and 3M tooltip, and the doorbell. First, you're gonna start right here. Register your account. Once you register your account complete, and scan the barcode in your camera and turn your apps like this, and that's it. And now you can press the chimes right here, speaker, and press the doorbell. We're good. Alright, so this is ready to install at the back at your entrance door. Okay, the chimes, you're gonna put the chimes over here, upstairs. So Okay, we can put the chimps over here, down there. Okay, so let me try to test the camera. This is the video right here. So we're recording. Say hi to the camera. Hi. What's this thing? Uh-huh. Can I see? Can I see a little bit closer? Can I see a little bit closer? Yes, this is. Trying to. We're recording. Yeah. Huh? Yay! Yeah. Daddy, can I make this? Huh? That's a sketch. Dad, did you see me? Yeah. Okay. 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 I'm gonna give it to Mama. Hello, my friend. Is dirty. You go airsoft tomorrow? Okay, that's what is to be clear the video, and this is the nighttime videos. Okay, I'll show you.
Oh, istirahat dia. Oh.
All right, so that was our nighttime videos. So if you like the videos right here, please subscribe this channel right here, and that's it. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.